Welcome to iNFOTAB by abASE. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add users. We've just created a new database for ABC engineering, and now we want to get some users loaded into the system so that they can access it and start to add some data. So we go to the user management function on our poly menu and we click the users. This will open a new window, and in that window we can search for existing users. We don't need to do that because we don't have any users loaded yet except for the root user that we added when we created the database. So we can jump straight down here and add a user safe that he's not already there. We're going to call this user J.Smith. And we're going to give J. Smith a password, and it's going to be let me in. We can see the password when we set it up so that we can make any corrections, and we can retrieve passwords from here if a user forgets the password. We enter the full name, John Smith, his position, engineering manager, his language, English, job grade. Now when we come to add a job grade, we like to use a standard for job grades. You may have your own standard and you can use that as well, but we recommend that you look at the Info tab here and look at the cross-functional job grading that we have set up. This is based on the Federation of European Employers, who created a cross-functional job grading for fairness of employment. In here we can look and see what our manager would be, and we see that he's actually a senior manager with divisional responsibility. He would be a job grade 12. So we can double click on here to get rid of it, and we will make John job grade 12. Remuneration per hour, you can leave this blank. We're going to stick in 30, and we're going to charge him at 55 per hour. We're going to set some access privilege. We need to unlock the access privileges, and he can have access to the opportunity manager, the estimator, and the quote builder, because he is involved in making some quotes. He'll need to have access to purchase and inventory. We'll let him see the dashboard, and time manager will not let him into system users, and will not let him into finance management. His department is operations, and we can drag and drop his signature here. If we have a digital signature, we can drag and drop it in here. Let's lock off those privileges, and let's add the record to the database. The user's created. We get a message saying user added to the system and the database, and that's it. New user is added. If we now search for Smith, we find J. Smith is there. That's all there is to setting up users in iNFOTAB. You want to quit the system? Yes. Back to the main menu. Easy as that. Thanks for watching.